Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I want to thank you for joining me for another tutorial. Today I'll be using the Whimsy Stamps Meow Cat Birthday and Sprinkle Scallops rectangle die. So let's get started. First I'm going to take the two biggest dies and die cut them from some white cardstock. I never took my dies apart yet, so I'm just going to run them through like this. If yours are apart, then just tape them together. And I die cut 3 of them because I want the frames to be raised up. Then I take the smaller decorative frame and I die cut it from some white cardstock. Now you can die cut 3 of these as well to raise it up, or you can use craft foam, which is what I did because I had some scrap pieces I wanted to get rid of. I'll be using the pink polka dots pattern paper from the Mix and Match 2 paper pack set. You get so many different patterns and colors in this set that it can be used in a variety of ways. I trim the pattern paper down to 4 3/4 by 3 1/2 to fit behind the frame I made, and then the small decorative frame will fit in the middle of the frame on top of the pattern paper. I take the small frame and I put it in my Misty stamping tool. I like to use the Misty when stamping images in case I want to double stamp the images. It makes it much easier. I put the cat image I want in the rectangle along with the sentiment I'm going to use, and I stamp them with a black Copic friendly ink. Then I'm just going to set it aside for later. Using the Kitty Cat extra die set, I die cut the word meow 3 times from some black cardstock. To color in the image, I use Copic marker E35 to color all around the edge of the package, and then I blend it all together with Copic marker E33 sand color. And for the cat, I color the outer edge with some W5 warm gray, and then I just bring in some W3 for most of the cat, and I blend it all together with W1 warm gray until I have the desired look that I want. I color the mouth of the cat with some W3 warm gray, and I blend it with some W5 because I wanted it to be a little darker than his body. Next, I use a white jelly roll pen to add little dots on his eyes. And to finish off the cat, I add some R11 pale cherry to his ears, and then I blend over that color with some W1 warm gray. Finally, I assemble the card by adhering all the white frames together with some liquid glue. Then I adhere the frames onto the pattern paper and I press down really good to make sure that it's secure. I add a piece of craft foam to the back of the small rectangle frame and I adhere it in the middle of the pattern paper. I adhere all 3 of the meow words together because I wanted the words to look like they were raised up from the card. And then I adhere it to the card above the sentiment. Next, I add some sequins in random spots onto the card front. And to finish off the card, I adhere the card front to a piece of white cardstock that I folded to 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 inches. And that completes my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed my card. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of it. We would love for you to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. And as always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.